Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix repost not showing on Instagram step by step. So if you are not seeing the repost option or reposts are not visible on your profile, this quick fix is going to help you. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. So in order to check it, you need to open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Instagram. Once you are able to find Instagram, if you see any update written over here, it simply means that you need to update your Instagram application first. For that, simply tap on the option of update and update it. Sometimes the repost feature often disappear when you are using the outdated version. So first of all, you need to update your app, then close Instagram and reopen the app and see if the reposts are now showing or not. If the issue still persists, what you can do is you can simply come here in your Instagram application. Then you need to tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on the option of three lines in the top right hand corner. Then you need to just scroll down and then you need to tap on the option of your account type. So here, if you are using a professional account or a creator account, you need to first of all switch it to your personal account. Then you can switch it back to your other account. So this way, when you do it, you will see all of your repost on your account. Now, if you are on Android, you can also go to the settings of your device. In your settings, you can go to apps, then you can go to app management. Over here, you can just simply use the search bar and search for Instagram in your device. Now, once you are inside the app info of Instagram, simply go to the section of storage usage, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache too, your application is going to be refreshed and it won't going to delete any of the data. So you can also try this trick in order to fix the repost glitch. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.